electronic devices like laptops, computers, small portable electronic devices like cell phones and tablets may continue to be used in airplane mode, but must be secured for the remainder of the...
Heading to the Green River in Utah for 3 days of fly fishing. Got some snow overnight. See how the fishing goes. Here we are, Flaming Gorge Resort.
Carly Pierce and Riley Green. It's such a beautiful song. It's not heartbreaking, but it's real, you know? If I don't leave, I'm gonna stay. I'm Macy Banks, and speaking of, new music and everything, how are we feeling about Ella Langley's album?
Here we are at the Green River. It's called Little Hole down there. We'll be fishing that in a few minutes. Nice day. Walking on down to the river right now. Heading down the trail. Gonna head to that flat section up ahead and see if we can find anything that wants to bite. Let's see how it goes here in a few minutes. That's a nice rainbow. Well, I don't know if I'm going to be able to get this into the net. How strong is this tippet? Need one of those long poles. Ah, come on. Tire out, buddy. Oh, almost. All right. Stop. Nice rainbow. See that, JB?
Nice. Get the hook off?
Yeah, it came right out once I got in the net. You got another one, JB. Smaller one. That one took that shrimp. Yeah. Drops. Rainbow. Rainbow. Oh yeah, that's a nice one. Brown, isn't it? Yep. Yeah. Yeah. Nice. What'd you get it on?
The Greyhound. Gray soft tackle. That's a beauty.
Get the hook out?
You ready?
Yep. There you go. Nice.
Be a 20-inch brown.
Swim away.
Fly be free, buddy. Thank you.
Yeah, rainbow. I think I'm casting into your spot. Got that shrimp again, JB.
Tough fishing.
That's a rainbow. Come on, little guy. Stop recording. Down at the river, getting ready to float with our guide, the A section.
Trick on that. It's easier to show you than to tell you. So let's talk a little bit
Just
about.
don't want to hook James, you know.
Because we're fishing pretty long rig. So I throw it behind me, I let it hit the water, and then I throw it out. It's called the water load, and
Okay.
that'll keep you from tangling. And it'll also keep you out there where you need to be. Even in the wind, you'll have water load on that rod. There you go. Good job there, Robbie. Now I can have my first chew, Rob.
Yeah, I wanted you to
So
get
proud of you, bud.
I wanted you to get your chew in.
Not easy being me.
Got a jumper there too. Favorite.
So you caught a bunch of whitefish, and what happened?
2 trout each a day. And a bunch of whitefish.
Awesome, man. I bet he had fun.
Yeah, it was great. We I mean, we got our ass kicked by the wind the first day. Blowing right up.
You fishing in the wind? No, you?
It was so bad, man.
Yeah.
We were both hammered by the time we got. We both took turns on the oars, and man, we were both deep.
We can throw some dries to him, you know. Good work, bud. Good work, my friend.
Another rainbow.
So these are stalker holes. We just
Okay.
stocked these about a month ago. So a lot of the fish you catch in here will be those little stalker bows. But there's some giants in here that are hanging and eating.
And I saw some big ones down below.
Yeah. So they're not all small. Sometimes the biggest fish of the year is caught right in these stalker holes, you know. So we're gonna work them for a little bit.
Yeah,
Catch a few fish, maybe
got it
catch
to you?
a big one. Good to go again, bud.
All right. Quick release.
That'll teach them.
I went
Call
to,
that a Helen Keller.
I went to
set
cast.
there,
I was like, wait a minute.
Helen Keller that fish.
I think I'm snagged on something. But it's moving. Oh, it's funny.
There you go, bud. Okay, we're gonna work.
Oh, same thing again. God. I'm just gonna keep trying to cast back behind me. Oh, too funny. These are all the little stalkers, right?
Yeah, these are stalkers.
And the big ones hang out here and eat them.
Yep.
You got one?
I usually throw them in before I pick up the cast, just to see what's going on with the line, you know. You'd be surprised how many times they'll eat it, or they're already on it and you just don't know.
Little guy.
Get 'em. Good job, buddy.
God. Don't come off this time. Looks like a little, oh, yeah, it's like a little bigger one.
Let him pull line. Let him have line. There you go. Let him win his little battle, and then we'll break his spirit.
There's another one. It looked like one was following it at first.
Could have been one. Yeah, a lot of times you see
No
the
follower.
predators chasing, trying to eat them. See that fish in distress, and they're coming in.
Yeah, a little better
A
one.
little bigger. A little bit bigger, buddy. There you go.
All right. Like another rainbow. You want to shake off?
Cover off, John.
Get him. There you go. Should be bigger fish now, man. We're out of the stalker holes, so get yours out of there, Jim. Just pick it up and cast it. Don't drag it all the way across it. Just pick it up and throw it to the other side of the boat when you're in trouble. Got a good one on this time. I think it's a brownie.
Down in that. Come on. Down in that current.
No. Okay, now you're okay, Jim. Come back over to the
Yeah, it
shore.
looks like a brown.
Yeah, you got a nice one, bud. There you go.
tire out, buddy. Oh yeah. Staying down that current.
Yep. Enjoy the flight, man. Try to get them back to the front of the boat when you can. Okay, he's about ready to come in. Let's try to lift on him a little and start bringing him in. There you go.
Nice.
Nicely done.
All right. Sweet picture, Jim.
Fish ground. Wow.
Nice.
Nice.
On the camera. Oh well.
You got your camera?
Camera. Oh man, he's a big one.
Okay, right back in the net.
That's a nice one.
That was beautiful.
Got
Fish.
fat.
All right, now just kind of play a little.
Nice rainbow.
Pull the line.
Oh, that's a nice rainbow.
Good fish. Okay, bring him up. There we go, buddy. Woo! Nice fish. Nicely done, my friend. Nicely done.
Rainbow.
That's a big fish, bud. Look at that.
Yeah, real nice.
Wow. Nice fish.
A fat boy. Wow.
Okay. Give her a little drink. You ready?
Yeah, just pull it up.
Here, I'll hold it. You get a picture of
Yeah.
Robin Island.
You take a brown, huh?
Keep fishing, Jim. Just go back a little bit. Yep. Nice brown trout.
It's like I got a kind of a little knot or something. See that?
You got a knot?
You'll see in on my leader.
All right. We'll
See right there by the
we'll fix that.
right there by the indicator. It's wrapped around the indicator or something. Try to lasso it.
Yeah.
So have you shot that black powder rifle you bought from
I
Robin Island?
have. Yeah, it shoots pretty good. It's a good rifle. Yep. I bought another one since then too. So
Yeah.
yeah, I collect them, man. I love those old guns. Okay, now lift them up that way. Put them up.
Okay. Get up from under the boat.
Okay, now try to bring them all the way to the top.
Yeah.
Bring them back up and around. Keep his head up when you get him up, and we'll be able to get him in the net. Get your rod that way. There we go. Nicely done, bud.
Nice one.
Let's go get another one.
Yes, he's. That's brown.
Beautiful.
Nice.
So now let's see. Now don't try to force them, but we want to try if we can to keep them in this slack water here. If we can net them here, that'll be good. Okay, lift your rod up. Get them into the slack. There you go.
Nice rainbow. Nice.
Nicely done, my friend. Woo. Good job, buddy. Yeah. Gorgeous fish.
Let me see that one. All right. Nice one, JB. All right. You got one right in his chin, too. You got two flies in him, it looks like.
Yeah, he got all wrapped up. Stop, 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 girl. Stop, stop.
You sound like me when I'm trying to unhook a fish. Yeah, beautiful rainbow.
Yeah, look at that, huh? Gorgeous fish.
Nice.
Just give him this one. Keep him coming back. Keep him coming. Keep him coming. Okay, now bring your rod back. There we go. Nicely done, man.
Got some nice color on them.
Yeah, these are beautiful fish this time of year, aren't they? Just gorgeous.
Really red. Wow.
Yeah. You really see it when he's underneath the water. It's just like, yeah, that's nice. Beautiful.
Yep, brownie. Nice fish too.
Staying deep.
Nicely done,
Yeah.
bud.
Yeah, he stayed deep the whole time.
Yeah. You know, and he's
Nice.
not that big of a fish compared to some of the other ones, but
No,
these
but-
things are muscle, man.
And he got the worm.
Yeah. He got the pig. He got them both, actually.
Oh, did he?
He got the little bug buried in his mouth, too. Or he's got a different person's bug in his mouth. Look at that.
Oh, he got free last time.
There. Someone got him with a dry yesterday. Broke him off.
Yeah, he stayed deep. Fought good.
Yep.
That was a fun one. All right.
You're not in the anchor
Oh,
line at all, are
nice jump.
ya? Rob, are you in the anchor line at all?
No.
Okay, I'm going to let the anchor down here in a second.
Nice brown right there.
Okay, go ahead, slide him in. Nice fish, my friend. Nice fish. Good work.
Love that. So cool when you can see the take.
Yeah.
Nice. Thank you.
Getting close on him now, though. He's starting to wear down. When they roll over like that, they're
Yeah.
getting tired. So now angle that way. Like You want to swim them to the back of the boat?
Yeah.
Yep. Now you're going to lift straight up. There you go, bud. Nice.
All right.
Fish, man. Nicely done.
You picture that one, JB.
Nice.
Thank you.
Let's see if I can get this tail.
That was on
Shot out the juice. See if we can double here while he's fighting that one.
the rainbow.
Yep. Good rainbow.
Okay.
Pretty.
Thought I was on a rock for a second because it bounced off a rock and then he took it.
Might have been. Might have been exactly what happened. Okay, now straight up pressure, get that rod up so it bends.
Yeah, that's the kind of angle he was trying to get around the back. There it is.
Good work, man. Pretty fish.
Nice. Yeah, it's beautiful. Nice color.
Look at her, huh? Now shouldn't be.
Oh, that's a nice color rainbow. Beautiful
Nice work.
colors.
What, do you think those guys can make any more noise? Okay, we're gonna go up and over. Get your rod out of the way now, Jim. We're gonna go up and over you. Okay, go up and over Jim.
Okay, he's still on the other side of the
Okay, now
boat.
we got him on the right side of the boat. Or on the left side of the boat. So you can slide into here and try to get him on this slack water if you can. Keep fighting, bud. You're doing it just right. Keep it tank, man.
Get a picture of that one. You get him in.
Yeah.
He's still fighting hard. I see him. Wow, that's a big fish.
He's a real good fish.
He does not want to come up. Get to where that bobber is just there, and then he doesn't want to come any higher. Oh. Tired now. Last energy, hopefully.
We'll go that way. Ready for him to run. That's a toad, man.
All right. Let me hold that baby. Right there. Oh yeah, I want to hold that one.
Put your hands like that and just scoop underneath them. There you go.
Oh, heck yeah. It's a nice heavy one.
Give me a second.
Photographer's blowing it here.
Ready?
Yeah.
Alright.
Okay, let's see. Take another one right here. You gotta get your rod up so it bends. There you go. You don't ever want to have your rod point at the fish because then you lose all your shock absorber. I think he just rolled up. He's probably got all the hooks in him now. He rolled a lot of times on you down there.
Yeah, he got the egg in the belly.
Yeah.
Can't move.
He's sleeping.
Nicely done, bud. Another nice spawner.
Yeah, nice one.
This line off here. Before he kicks his tail again.
I'll get a picture, huh?
Sure. I'm in this river.
Nice brown. Yeah, nice.
It's a good fish, bud.
Oh, yeah.
Dang. Nice fish. He's strong. He's a good one. He's at least 14 inches. No, he's probably a 20-inch fish. He's a good one. Oh, bring him back out, man. Damn.
So close. There he is. Now he's good.
Now you got him on the tip.
Now he lassoed him.
He did not want to come in, did he? No. Good fish.
Nice.
No, I'm gonna go. I'll video it if you're gonna drop it and flop it.
Are you? See if I can make around out here. Pretty good at that sometimes.
Swallowed that pretty good, huh?
It's good.
Picture of him.